Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. In this video we're making these two hammers better. And this one here, this one's going to be turned into a rounding hammer. What I'll be doing is knocking out the handle, knocking out the shaft, and then following down round the edges and rounding off the faces and sort of upsetting them a bit more. Yeah, so please stay tuned and see how it all turns out. Thank you. The handle that I put on, that I welded on the top here, fell off, so what I've done, I've just popped this bit of pipe through, and what I'm going to do now is do it like this. Hopefully it doesn't fly off. We'll see what happens. Well, I could do it like this. Nope. Ah, just broke my pen. Right, I'm almost done with the rough forging on this side. I just need to tidy it up a little bit, just round it over a tiny bit more, and yeah, then I'll start on the other side. I didn't realise how much work this will be, but yeah, it's almost halfway done. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that so far. What I've done, I've sanded down the surfaces on the belt sander, and yeah, just sort of dressed it up a bit with a piece of what's it called, 240 sandpaper. You know, dressed up with that, and yeah, so now it's ready for its heat treat. Yeah. No. Right, so here we have it, and it's been heat treated. I double quenched it. I did a bit of a file test on it, but the file does dig in a little bit. Obviously it's not as obviously not as bad as if it wasn't heat treated at all. I tempered it a little bit. I may have over tempered it, but yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It'll do for now. And all I do now is move on to fitting the handle, refitting the handle. This old, the original handle. Okay, so as I was cutting the slot for the wedge to go in, I noticed that, well, the wood is splitting, and these two bits fell off as I was cutting the slot, and then what? Yeah, so what I did, I cut off the end, so I'm gonna have to start again. But I realised, see here where it swells out, it doesn't swell out here. So when the hammer goes in, it's going to be loose again here, so I'm not sure if it's going to wedge properly. What I'm going to have to do is just do it and see what happens, because I don't have any other handles. Yeah. So this hammer hasn't turned out exactly how I wanted it. One, the handle wasn't fitted properly. Yeah, the handle wasn't fitted properly. What happened is that it split, and yeah, also it hasn't actually opened up fully equally. It opened up nicely on that side, but not on this side here. And I'm just hoping that it's not going to cause a problem, which it might do. It might end up coming loose. So what I'm going to have to do is just use it and see what happens. Right, this has been a horrible failure. Yeah, I think this wood is garbage. I don't even think it's hickory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new handle out of, I've got some oak somewhere. I'll try that. I don't have a new handle, so I'm not going to be doing it in this video. So this video is done now, and as you can see, it's been a horrible failure. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and yeah, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Sorry about this. What can I do apart from make a new handle when I have the wood? Okay, thank you.